Hi and welcome back everyone. It is now the holiday season and I am so excited. My favorite thing to do is to put up my Christmas tree. So this year I decided I wanted to show you how to create a beautiful Christmas tree for yourself. I have borrowed a Christmas tree from my sister and I just asked her if it was pre-lit and she said no, but I'm going to get the tree up, get it fluffed, add lights, and then we're going to start with our tree topper. Once we get that done, we're going to add ribbons and things to the tree itself. From there, we'll put in our greeneries and then we'll put in our ornaments as well. And then you're going to be really, really happy with your tree this year because you're going to know exactly how to do it. So stay tuned. Let me get this ready. Now it's time for the tree topper. I just finished the lights and I probably could have used one more box. I bought 4 and 5 might have really done it much nicer. But once it's decorated, you won't even notice. So we're gonna do the tree topper now and we're going to use these stars, some really pretty pine picks, a few of these little frosted ones, and I've also got these with the berries. So I'm going to get started. We'll work our way down and then we will do ribbon. Wrap your stem, wrap this around with one of your little branches. It'll help stabilize it so it doesn't go anywhere. I'm not going to cut these because I also use these on my front porch every once in a while. But try to hide the stem, try to hide this down inside the middle of the tree. I'm going to do this little one first. Kind of cute. Okay, so the next thing that we're going to put in is, I do have one stem of the cotton and I want to look and see what that will look like. Just give it a little bit of a different texture. These from Walmart. I'm gonna fluff these a little bit. Give it some dimension. They are usually wired. And if you need to, you can wrap branches around them. Kind of aim them down a little bit. now we're going to work on the berries. Okay, so that's what these look like. I'm just going to spread them out a little bit here too. Cones are kind of in the way. These are probably one of my very favorite things to put in a tree, and they're found at Hobby Lobby. Definitely a little tree topper. Okay, now what I'm going to do is just make some itty bitty hooks. Okay, we're off to a good start. Now, this tree is pretty darn nice. It does not have a bunch of holes in it. Some trees are terrible. So, the ornaments that we actually have are red, white, and silver. Today I picked up this fun ribbon at Michael's. It's furry, and I thought it'd be a nice contrast to go on top of the red. Just kind of did this, and then I'm just going to make little loops, and I'm just going to wire it right in. I'm going to just cut them at an angle. Oh my gosh, this stuff is shedding.